BONDERITE echo ST4 set point setting for a high conductivity measurement on channel 2. How to set the set points on channel 2? Press menu OK. Press the up arrow until Config Advanced. Press menu OK to confirm. Press the up arrow until parameter 9. Press menu OK. Press the up arrow to set the value 2. Press menu OK to confirm. To set the K2 type, the K2 set point and the K2 hysteresis, the procedure is the same as channel 1. To set the set point for channel 3, press the up arrow until parameter 25. Press menu OK. Press the down arrow to set the value 3. Press menu OK to confirm. To set the K4 type, the K4 set point and the K4 hysteresis, the procedure is the same as channel 1. To set the set point for channel 4, press the up arrow to parameter 33, set 4. Press the up arrow. To set the K5 type, the K2 set point and the K2 hysteresis, the procedure is the same as channel 1.